Psilopsida is a first classification of tracheophytes. Psilopsida group includes vascular plants without true leaves and roots. Their plant body is only composed of roots. Psilopsida is a first classification of tracheophytes. Psilopsida group includes vascular plants without true leaves and roots. Their plant body is only composed of roots. Psilopsida show regular alternation of generation. Alternation of generation is a shift between haploid gametophyte and diploid sporophyte. Now we discuss sporophyte generation of Psilopsida. Sporophyte of Psilopsida has the following characteristics. Psilopsida has leafless and rootless sporophyte. Instead of roots, its underground part has a stem called rhizoid. Rhizoids are hair-like structures. Leafless means their branches are bare without true leaves. The stem has two parts, rhizoid and aerial part. Aerial part means operating in air. The stem is branched dichotomously. Dichotomously means every branch has two more branches. Rhizome is a plant stem. Rhizome develops rhizoids. Both rhizome and rhizoids develop the function of roots. The aerial branches, which are operating in air, are green. Psilopsida is a group of old plants. They are vineless. Vineless means they lack vascular tissue. It means their stem and leaves do not contain veins. The branches carry out photosynthesis because they are green. The reproductive organs of Psilopsida sporophytes are sporangia. Sporangia produce and store spores. They grow on the stem. When they mature, they burst open and release spores. These spores then grow into new plants. Internal structure of the stem is simple. They have solid vascular tissue. The gametophyte is thyloid. Thyloid means a simple plant-like body that does not have true stems or leaves. It is colorless, and in the thyloid, it contains a fungus. Fungus is a living organism that is not a plant or animal, like mushroom, yeast, etc. The fungus provides the food to the Psilopsida gametophyte, and the gametophyte provides it protection. Such a beneficial symbiotic relationship among two members is called mycorrhizal association. It can also be called symbiotic association. Psilopsida is the earliest group of vascular plants. Most of them are extinct from Earth, for example, Rhinia.